Live 5 News.
Well, it's Friday night and we're feeling all pretty cold. I was going to say all right, but it's cold. Let's take a look outside right now on our First Alert Live Super Doppler Max. We're already starting to see some of that rain pushing east. I'll go ahead and zoom in. We're seeing it all the way down from Buford all the way to Neesmith, so quite a range here of those showers. Cottageville, Walterboro, Ridgeville, parts of Somerville, wanting to extend into Goose Creek, not quite yet. Moncks Corner, Cross, Holly Hill, St. Stephen, you get the idea. It's moving west to east. We are continuing to track that low pressure system that formed in the Gulf. That is going to bring that Gulf moisture towards our coastline overnight into tomorrow morning. But will that moisture, will all of it, be gone by the time this Arctic air is filling in? What's happening, or what's causing that wintry mix, is the clash of the two. That's why this area here, all in blue, is expecting it for sure. But we are still dealing with that timing issue. Is it going to cause a problem for us? And the models right now, we've been talking about them pretty much all week. The beginning of the week, they weren't really much in consensus, but now that we're getting closer to the event, pretty much is showing us that we're not expecting much in the way of a wintry mix, let alone snow. So notice here on our European model, still looking to be in the upstate and in North Carolina, even parts of the Midlands and the PD region. But even on our GFS American model, still showing us mainly with just cold rain at this point. But the thing is, we can't completely rule out a wet snowflake or maybe some ice pellets as this continues to pull away late morning, early afternoon tomorrow. So let's go ahead in the future tracker. Notice in the next hour or so, we're going to start seeing rain filter in pretty much all of our viewing area. And heavy at times. Notice the yellows and the oranges. Then as we go, pretty much all night, right? And you saw that. Then as we go into early Saturday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, a lot of the moisture has already pulled away. However, and this is our RPM model, so we're showing you various models here. And for the most part, they're in consensus. But watch this. As this continues to pull away, notice how some of that snow wants to head in our direction, but there might not be enough moisture to hold it past I-95. So most of our inland counties in our viewing area, such as Colleton, Williamsburg, maybe even parts of northern Dorchester, inland Berkeley, Orangeburg counties, they have a better chance, but it's still very slight to see a wet snowflake or maybe even an ice pellet or something of that nature, a wintry mix. So something to be mindful of. There still is a very slight chance as this pulls away. However, we're really not expecting much. If you want to see snow, you need to pretty much go to Atlanta or Georgia, northern Georgia, or go to Charlotte, Raleigh area. We're expecting mainly just cold rain. And then notice by late afternoon, early evening, it's pretty much gone. But it's going to be a cold one. Right now, though, temperatures are cooling quite a bit. We've got 41 in Manning, 42 in Orangeburg, 45 Somerville. The closer you are to the coast, the warmer it is, so it's not really expecting much at all in the way of a wintry mix near the coast. Overnight tonight, temperatures right around 39 degrees, so that's colder than what we've been seeing lately. We're seeing that rain already starting. Tomorrow, a high of 41, and that's in the morning. As we go throughout the day, actually, temperatures are going to get colder. So the morning rain, late morning, could even see a few sprinkles even into lunchtime. And again, on the backside of this, that's our best chance to see maybe a wet snowflake. Nothing accumulating, though. Winds will come north 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 25, so we'll be under a small craft advisory. But notice here, that's that trend for tomorrow, staying below. We're going to continue to start out warm, if you can call 41 warm, but warmer, and dropping as we go throughout the day. So we're not going to warm throughout the day like we normally do. Again, morning rain, a PM clearing, afternoon clearing, but we have that small craft advisory tomorrow because these winds are going to be so high. Also, a lake wind advisory for Lake Moultrie in Berkeley County. So this is our weekend. Temperatures for the highs right around 40 degrees. Take a look at that 7-day forecast. Those overnight lows in the 20s. Make sure you have a plan for your pets. Your plants. Check on the elderly. Time to drip the pipes, but notice we rebound those temperatures by next week.